What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you on an update today of Bitcoin. We're also going to get in some altcoins as well. What I want to do today, guys, we're going to step back. We're going to look at everything on the 1 week time frame. So each candle is going to represent a week. And I really want to step back and just kind of look at stages with you, how we talked about in the last video, how you have a stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to try to identify where we're at in this cycle so far. So guys, if you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's dig into this. So guys, for Bitcoin here, when we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, first of all, what I want to look for is red flags. So far, I'm not really seeing any red flags. We're up above our 20-week simple moving average. We're up above our 50-week simple moving average, and we're up above our 200-week simple moving average. That's what you're looking for. So no problems there. And what I want to do is just work down through each indicator with you. So moving averages, no problem. Next thing we're going to be looking at in terms of overhead resistance, we would look up most likely to about $55,000. And then it would be $58,000 if we can continue to keep this move going. If we do have a retracement, I want you to look back to this equilibrium area here. You can see it's marked on the smart concepts, and that would put you roughly at about $42,000. So that's if we do have a retracement, just watch both to the upside and the downside. If we get into our relative strength, we're at 75.75 right now. Money flow is going to be at a positive 12.97, and our VWAP is going to be a positive 6.98. So far, guys, I mean, obviously anything can happen in crypto, and we know that news can break and price can drop, 10, 20% in a day. But as of right now, just looking at the technicals, it's looking pretty good. I would continue to want to see more volume coming in here. So that's been about average or so. As we continue to push up, you want to start seeing that volume as well. But so far right now, guys, no major red flags, still in an uptrend, looking pretty good there. Next one I want to go to is Ethereum. Taking a look at ETH as we go up and try to challenge $3,000. So we have to watch that big psychological level. So far on the weekly time frame here, guys, right now, no problems as well. We're looking at the 20-week simple moving average is underneath us. The 50 and the 200-week simple moving average is underneath us. So no issues there. Relative strength is going to be up at 73.86, so we are above 70. Just keep an eye on that, guys. But many times what I've learned in this space is I like to use the relative strength as a 50 mark. So if we're breaking up above 50, we're showing that strength. If we're breaking down below it, we're showing weakness, because many times in this space when you get in bull runs, just to give you an example back here, guys, once we really got moving, we were at 70 back here on the RSI, and then look what happened. This entire move went on while we were in overbought conditions. So don't let the RSI fool you. I've in 7 years, I've learned a lot about the relative strength, and before I used to sell out when I'd see us get to some extremes, and many times we'll just cool down, move sideways. It cools down the relative strength, and you can go again. So just look at the relative strength. If we're breaking up above 50, showing that strength, or breaking below, showing weakness, and it'll help you a lot. And never make trades based off the relative strength. Really look at that price action. So guys, this is going to be Ethereum right now. So far, everything's looking pretty good. No major issues. Our VWAP is going to be at a positive 10.67. Money flow is going to be at a positive 9.09. And that relative strength at 73.81. Next one I want to get into, guys, we're going to take a look at Link. So Link, when we're stepping back and we're looking at this here, guys, so in my opinion, this was a stage 1 for Link, right down in this range here. So this was our accumulation area. We broke out from about $10. It came on heavy volume here. We've been consolidating on top of the 200-week simple moving average. If we look right here, we have our 20 crossing up through that. But when we're looking at, that's what we want to see, guys, trading up above it and holding. So that's the area that we need to hold here. So for support overall for Link, I would not want to see us go below about $14.24 is going to be the area. If we can't get this turned around here, guys, we've had a little bit of a sell-off here this week. If we can get it turned around, we're going to look at the next area of overhead resistance at about $21, and then it would be up to this red box here right around the $24 mark. So just keep an eye on that. Relative strength is going to be at 62. Money flow is going to be at a positive 5.33. VWAP is going to be negative 0.27. So that's going to be Link. Next one I want to get into Cardano. Cardano selling off a little bit so far today. We are down about 3% on the day. So for Cardano, guys, we still have some work to do, and the main work that we need to do is get over top of this 200-week moving average. That's going to be a big area for us. That's going to be roughly at about 70 cents. So we need to turn that into support, break up above it, turn it into support. I do like the fact that our 20-week has crossed up above our 50-week for the longest time. We've been trading below that all the way back since, let's see here, the 7th of February 2022. So it's nice to see that. I would want to continue to see this move come on continued volume if this is going to be our higher low here at about 45 cents. We're going to go up and try to test and break over top of this area. If we're looking at the smart money concepts, you can see we're definitely closer to the discount area down here than we are to the premium. Our equilibrium is going to put you right around $1.50. Relative strength right now is going to be at 63.27. Money flow is going to be at a positive 1.24, and our VWAP is going to be at a positive 6.58. And for Cardano here, guys, just to give you the money flow, for the longest time, back since the 14th of February 2022, you've seen this red money flow. It's been all red. We finally went to the green. We haven't done anything really significant here, but we have turned green there, which is exciting. So we want to see if we can continue to build on that, see if Cardano can hold some of these major support areas. So that's going to be Cardano, guys. If you're here for ADA, let me know down low. Next one we're going to take a look at is AVAX. AVAX down about 4% on the day right now. So for AVAX, guys, up above our 20-week simple moving average. We are up above our 50-week simple moving average. Next overhead resistance area we want to crack is going to be about $43. Major support we're going to need to hold is going to be $27.50. Relative strength is going to be at 60. Money flow is going to be, let's see here, guys. It's not actually given. There it is, negative 5.70. And our VWAP is going to be at -1 or -2. Just switch to -2 there. So getting back to this, guys, just stepping back, taking a look. Let's see here. So this is our accumulation area. We've had our first impulsive break out of that. We've consolidated sideways now, and those are the areas that we're going to need to hold if we're going to get continuation and go up and try to test some of these higher levels here. So just to give you an example, the equilibrium is going to put you right at about $76. All right, so next one here, guys, let's see. I want to get a few that people have been requesting. Let's go to Solana. So for Sol, trading up above our 20-week simple moving average, up above our 50, so no problem there. Guys, we have failed a couple times here, and this is going to be at our prior week's high. So we need to get up over top of $120. It's going to be main overhead resistance. In terms of support, we need to hold roughly about $80 is what we're going to call it. And then for Sol, guys, just taking a look here, you can see we had our stage 1 accumulation here. And in my opinion, we're in this stage 2 here. And we're going to see how long this can go, guys. So, and then stage 3 is when you get to the top and you start chopping around, you have that distribution essentially. Then stage 4 is something like this here, when you're just going down in the downtrend. So for Sol, money flow is going to be at a positive 6.92. VWAP is going to be at a negative 2.48. And relative strength is going to be right at 65 for us. Guys, UNI going crazy today here. So Uniswap also taking a look. Guys, taking a look at accumulation areas. If this is our accumulation area, we are breaking out of it. If we can close a weekly candle up above that on some volume, that then therefore could lead to a higher move for us. Major support areas that we'd want to hold, I'm going to say $7.11. Overhead resistance, we got to get over about $13. Relative strength is going to put you at 77. Money flow is going to be at a positive 0.72, and our VWAP's at a positive 22. So really taking off, really nice move today for Uniswap. But just watching these stages here, guys, and seeing, are we breaking out of these stage 1s? What type of volume are they coming on? And seeing if we can move into that stage 2, because that's just like this, guys. That's where the money's made. So I just want to put this video out there. Be patient, no problems, guys. And if you're in positions, just let them ride. Watch those moving averages and let them be your guide. Take care, my friends. God bless. Have a great weekend.